Hi Lal, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is the Google Search Console. I'll show you how to fix the issues mentioned. Obviously, your Google Search Console will be different because this is from our website, but I will show you how to find the area to fix those robots txt no index issues. I mean, these are not no index, but robots txt problem. So basically, you go to coverage, and you should have 0 errors, 0 warnings. Some of the pages will be excluded. Obviously, your pages will be different, but go to the one that says blocked by robots txt and see how many you've got. And if you click on the page, each page, you will be able to uh, basically look into that issue a little bit further. Load. No block. So obviously crawling is allowed. It means that the Google still can index, but obviously it doesn't crawl because it is being blocked. You can unblock it. I'll just show you how to do it. So go back to the same place and click on the link and click on this one. I believe it opens a new tab, and here you will be able to see which part of the coding actually causes a problem. And now the difficult part is going to your domain registrar or domain host. So basically a company that hosts your URL. If it's Shopify, I would contact them with assistance. If it's any other domain host such as GoDaddy or one.com, you would be able to log in to your admin and search for the files for the website. You will have to find this particular file, disallow WP admin. If you delete it from the list and save, this should fix the issue, and then all you have to do is just add after this is obviously fixed, after it disappears, you have to allow this one. I'm not sure if it will work actually, and then submit. It probably won't. Okay, let me just check if it. Okay, see? So all you have to do is just add allow this particular, and it actually fixed the issue. So this was as easy as that. And if I go back to coverage again, let me see if I can see it. Yeah, it's still blocked by the robots txt. Yeah, so it's still kind of not really fixed. So it has to be fixed by going to the domain registrar and fixing this. It could be a little bit tricky, but if you need help, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. But this is a great way to fix it. Another way is what I mentioned during the consultation, basically linking to this particular page that is blocked by the robots, linking to it from an external page, and it will give Google access to index this page. I hope you found it useful, but if you've got any questions, obviously please let me know. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.